Okay, we are going to get going. This is going to be a quick tutorial on PDF editing and inserting and using a QR code, which are those square little digital codes that all our phones are being able to read and take you straight to a website. So what we're trying to do is we have, like on this form, this is a PDF. We've got this blank spot down here at the bottom where we are going to insert and edit our own name and put in the code. So what we're going to do first, the PDF editor that I've been using, it's online, it's free, it's called pdfescape.com. We're going to jump over there. I've already uploaded this this document. There's a way to register, and it will save your stuff, so it's kind of worth doing. But pretty easy, and you'll see up here at the top there's the upload. When you first get to the page, it asks if you want to register. You don't have to, and you can upload your document. So that's just the process of I'm going to say no, picking your document from the folder where you are and uploading. You see how quick it works. I mean, this one took 10 seconds to upload, so it's not a problem. We're going to have to do the same thing with the image we save, and that's the image for the little QR code. Okay, so we've got this blank spot, and we're going to hit text, and you insert the cursor where you want to go. I'm going to jump back over to this because I saved. This is the text that we want to put in there. I'm just copying that, going back to the editor, pasting, and you can actually select if you want it bold, if you want to change the font. You get a few choices. I think that the Verdana and not bold actually looks pretty good. And I'm trying to see if you can actually move that. Yeah, it gives you those handles to move it around. You can't really, I guess you can't really move it. That's it's probably saying put a new space in there. But the next thing we do is going to be an image, and first we're going to jump over to the QR code generator, and here's the info. I looked at a few online. This one seemed to be the easiest. So qrcode.kaywa.com, and here's what it looks like when you get to the page. These things can take you multiple places if you just want to bring up text, a phone number, SMS, but most often we're seeing a URL. And I'm going to type this one in. This is our Univera affiliate site, the cindymorgan.myunivera.com. And I'm going to generate just a small code. And we now have the image, which what I've done usually is just save image as, and then saving it to a spot. I already saved it right there before. so we can just go back and grab it. We'll jump back over to the PDF escape and hit the image and browse for that up. And this is the one that I saved before, and upload. Once it's in, you kind of draw where you're going to put it, and I kind of visually got it square, because and then shrink it a little bit. If you hold down the shift key while you're grabbing a corner, it will keep it in the same perspective. And basically I just laid it over this like that, and essentially you're ready to go. I clicked again and added it. I just hit the delete. So now you're in a good state. You've got it all the way you want, and you just do a you want to save it or download it, or both. I hit the save first and then download, and this just brings up the box so you can open it. I'm going to open it right in the PDF. This is the first page. Actually, it's showing all 4 pages. It's a 4-page. You guys can see down here at the bottom, I'll zoom in on it, how that ends up. It looks pretty good, and it's all on the document. I've printed this and tested it. It works great. And from here, you just want to save this, save a copy of the PDF. And I usually just give it a name like with the JP, so that I know that it has my info already embedded in that one. And if I'm going to go print a bunch of these, that's the one you want to take, not the one that's not edited. So that works pretty well. Again, we'll go back, summarize this. PDF editor is the PDF escape, and the QR code generator is qrcode.kwa.com. Both free tools. I've seen, you can pay for an editor, but for the basic stuff that we're doing, you don't really need it. And I've seen people charging money to actually generate these codes, and you just go to this website, or there's other ones too, and they work great. So that's it for today. Hopefully that's helpful, and we'll talk soon.